Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the Fitbit Inspire 2 in black. And as with all my purchases, I bought this with my own money. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody out there who's thinking about buying the same item, just wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So I really had no intention of buying this. I'm still using an old Fitbit 1. It still works great. I've had it for about 10 years. But on Prime Day, Amazon had this for $56, and I just couldn't pass it up for that price. Thought maybe it's time to upgrade. So that's a quick look at it. Let's get the box open. They've got it sealed, looks like down here on the bottom. We'll take a look at everything you get. Shouldn't be too much to it. Fitbit itself. Silicone strap is nice. They've come a long way as far as their straps go. They finally put a buckle on them instead of the way they used to do it, where you just used to have these little balls that you would push through. Plastic covering up the device. The band's also easily removable. They've got a pin on the band, so if you want to switch out the bands, you can buy some replacement bands, switch them out pretty easily. So there's that, and then let's see if we get anything else. So they give you a longer strap in the event the one that comes with the watch, which is the short one, isn't long enough. You can add that on. And then the USB charging cable. A couple instruction manuals, a quick start guide, and then your full product information instruction manual. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Hope it helps.